honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday, and I'll be reviewing this brand new wig I've had it about a week now. It's from Sensationnel. It's called Butter Lace. Not butter, but butter. Like the people in New York talk, butter. It's called, it's Butter Unit 10, and I have it in the color Flamboyage Gold. So I haven't even taken it out the box to see just what is what. It claims to have a wider parting area, virtually undetectable HD lace, heat safe up to 350 to 400. So we'll say 350. So we're gonna see. From the makers of What Lace. We're gonna see how this lace looks. Comes in this long package. I keep the plastic sleeve, but I don't keep this box. Okay, what is this called? Oh, here we go. It should be stapled to the box some kind of way. It's attached with the little plastic things. Okay, I'm not gonna need that. Packaged up nicely to hold the shape of the wig. Of course, it has a hairnet on. Taking that off. So y'all don't usually see me doing all this. I usually have it out the box and ready. This hairnet off. Taking all this stuffing out. I'm gonna cut this hang tag. Got a salt packet. Cut this. Keep the tag, and I keep the plastic sleeve. So this is how she looks. Look at that, and look at the color. Little hidden pops of color all throughout here. Cute. Okay, a pretty wave pattern. And here's the lace. It has soft lace. So we're gonna see the specifics of the wig. Take this little plastic thing out of here. Okay. Here's the part. That's how much parting area it is right there. So it says lace front, I think. What does it say? Well, it don't say lace front. Just say lace. It used to say lace front, and all it would have would be a lace part. So it has a lace part, and it does have this much lace if you want to glue it down to your forehead or something. I don't do that. It has 2 combs, one at each temple. It has a comb in the back, along with the tag. This is from the Cloud 9 Swiss Lace collection. And it has 2 adjustable straps. So it has a light and airy wig cap, and the tracks are sewn on. Let's see if it's stretchy. Yeah, it's stretchy. So I hope it fit my big old head. So what side is this part on? Oh, got a right side part. I usually like a left side part, but I can rock this. Okay, so I'm gonna measure. I'm gonna measure from this last weft down here to see the hanging length of this wig. That junk up here. Okay. And I'm not stretching out the hair. We'll say it's 18 inches. Okay, and it's layered. It's not all the same length. See that? When it's like that, it's good for flipping hair over. So, let me cut the lace. I'll be back. I'm gonna start from the center. Make a cut in the center. So then I go this way, then I go that way, rather than trying to cut off one long piece. So I'll be back. Okay, I got the lace cut off, and I cut my Brazil notch. And what else I'm gonna do to it? I'm gonna put some powder. I'm gonna put some powder in here on the inside of the cap, where the lace is. Same stuff I put on my face. Whatever you use as a finishing powder on your face, that's what you can use. Big brush. And for the edges of the lace, like right here, I'll probably wind up using a dark brown eyeshadow powder. Okay. That's good. I'm put on my wig grip. And this wig ain't going nowhere. Okay. Part is on this side. So. Oh, and I got my own hair, just in a bun, a low bun. Drop my hair, y'all. It's pretty. This looks like Beyonce hair. My hair probably costs about $10,000. Okay. I'm lining this part up with that part on the wig grip. And I don't use these combs up here. I only use the comb that's in the back. I always tuck it up under my tucked under braid. I like some of my edges to show. And I don't want the wig grip to show. There it is. We got baby hairs, y'all. I like my own baby hair. This part looks good, y'all. Look at that. The wig feels nice and secure. It's big head friendly. Y'all were worried about it. It's big head friendly. I usually like a high side. And I'm not going to comb through his hair. If it gets messy looking, I'll get some mousse and tame it back down. But it probably has the capacity, or it probably can get big. I'm thinking that. But it's gorgeous, it's nice and soft, not itchy on my neck at all. It feels good. And I don't have to cover up no lace. I usually have to take a dark eyebrow pencil and cover up the lace around the edges. I ain't got to do that. This is cute. And I like the little bit of highlight right here. And it's all different colors throughout it. So this is Flamboyage Gold. That's the color. Oh my goodness, I like this a lot. didn't have to do nothing to it but cut the lace off and put some powder here. And I want to put a little powder. Here I go. I'm going to take a little bitty brush and put some powder right here. Actually on my forehead, and move it on into the part. And it's a pop-up message. That's why I'm looking crazy. Right here. Okay. I'm good. This is a lot of hair. If I would fix my own hair and crimp it, it would be like this. I don't know if I got time for that. I think it's cute. So that's the hair to the front. I like my earrings to show. I got to show the earring. Nice and full and so soft. Okay. Let me hold the card up for the thumbnail. It looks just like the thumbnail picture. Usually it doesn't. Usually the thumbnail picture is a hot mess. Look at that. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna turn to the right side. So I can see down further. Put it all toward the back. Hope y'all can see. Really, really full. See the colors, really pretty, and subtle highlights and different colors hidden in there. And it's the left side. I got a swivel chair in the room, y'all. It spins around and around. I used to have it in here. I took it out. I put it in the beauty room, and I'm never in the beauty room. But this is cute. I can't believe how natural this part looks. Let me get a close-up. Yep. Cute. Super cute. So, this is the Sensationnel Butter Lace Butter Unit 10. And Flamboyage Gold. It says ear-to-ear lace. That's for people who glue their lace down and wear the lace for days, sleeping and all that. No, I take my hair off at night. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. I'm back. You know what? I'll probably be wearing this wig sort of like I would wear braids. Pull some back, like that, most likely. I'm going for real now. Bye.